Hey out there, I'm Cassie from Zappos, and this is the Nylon Mini Lorimer Backpack from State Bags. This backpack may be small in size, but sometimes even the smallest stuff can pack a big punch. This one's got style, organization, and a really sleek, sophisticated look. It's lightweight, it's made of a nylon material, so it's durable, features a top carrying handle, as well as 2 adjustable shoulder straps in the back. What's really cool about this bag is that it has 2 front exterior zip pockets. You've got plenty of room because it can expand a little bit to allow you for more access to those smaller items you'd like to stow. When you open it up, you do have a double zip entry here. On the inside, you have a lining made of polyester. There is an area for a 13-inch laptop. It's padded, so it'll keep your tech safe. And what I really like about this is the hidden pocket in the back. You got a little zipper here. There's a little open pocket on the inside that you could probably store a wallet or a cell phone in. This is the best way possible to pack up your essentials, so check out this backpack from State Bags.